And that's the news that the economic survey has been tabled in Parliament just a day ahead of the 2017 budget speech. Interestingly, the economic growth for the current year has been pegged at 7.1% on the lower side of the 7 to 7.5% estimate made in last year's budget. I'm going to go straight across now to my colleague Divina Gupta, who will just tell us a little bit more. Divina, the economic survey, the official report on the economy, detailing account of the performance of various sectors of the economy. Just take us through, some of the key important points mentioned in the economic survey.
Avantika, let's break down the numbers for our viewers. And a very basic principle is that demonetization has had effect on India's growth, and that's what the economic survey is also saying. Interestingly, for the first time, going below the 7% target in the NDA government tenure, when it says that fiscal year 2018 is when we'll see growth between 6.75% and to 7.5%. Now, 6.75% on the lower side is the first time, which means that it's a thumbs down and a caution and a worry for demonetization. It's also said that there's a demonetization risk which will be felt by the economy. Now, in the year gone by, the growth number that's pegged by the economic survey is 7.1%. Now, this is the number that lays out how the economy is doing, the health of economy. Above 7% is good. Above 7.5% would have been great, but you can live with 7.1%. Given the fact the international agencies has given below 7% target for the Indian economy to grow this year. The final number, of course, will be out in the budget. Next thing that needs to be watched out for is how our core sectors have performed. So when you talk about industry, it's a big thumbs down from the economic survey because it's saying that the growth has shrinked from 5.2% to 5.2% from 7.4%, and that's a major blip. Already we've seen a slowdown on the account of global volatility, but because of demonetization, consumption being hit, spending being hit, manufacturing sector being hit, and that's what we're seeing in the industrial growth projection by economic survey. Agriculture doing well, interestingly, 4.51% versus 1.2% last year. So here's what the economic survey has said, that agriculture sector has seen better reforms, better outlay, and a better performance in the demonetization drive era. Let's also see that how the fiscal deficit is pegged this year, 3.5%. Now, this is the overall revenue and expenditure of the country, which the government wants to meet the target of 3.5%, although 3% is the ideal target. But for the Modi government, what relief has been is also the international crude oil prices, which have brought down our import bill. And that's why 3.5% of the GDP looks attainable at this moment. Core inflation remaining stable, as well as from what we're given to understand from the economic survey pointers at the moment. But the key headline here, Avantika, is essentially demonetization having a big impact on
Divina. All right. So very interesting there. On expected lines, demonetization, in fact, has had an impact on the economy, with industrial growth taking a huge hit.